Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about George Soros, about his fund and a little bit about his life. But first of all, I would like to ask you to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, because I spent around 1 week to make this video. George Soros now 90 years old, and if you don't know, he is a billionaire investor, and his net worth around $8 billion, plus he donated more than $32 billion to the Open Society Foundation. In 1969 he started his first hedge fund, it is Double Edge. Then, using profits from Double Edge, he started a second one, it is a Soros Fund Management. And then he renamed first one to Quantum Fund, and Quantum Fund on a start had $12 million assets under management, and as of 2011 it had $25 billion. Soros is known as the man who broke the Bank of England because of his short sale of $10 billion equivalent of British pounds, and he made $1 billion in one trade in 1992, Black Wednesday United Kingdom currency crisis. And actually he started it. The New York Times reported in October 2018 that conspiracy theories about him have gone mainstream to nearly every corner of the Republican Party. I think you can Google a lot of conspiracy theories in YouTube, and some of them are really funny and interesting in one moment. And if we are talking about hedge funds, it is right to measure them with CAGR, compound average growth rate, and Soros Fund Management had over 20% CAGR, and I think 20% it is awesome, because with 20% CAGR you can make X10 in 10 years, and I think it is super nice results. And total generated money from 1973, it is $40 billion, and I think we can easily name George Soros Fund like smart money. Now they're holding over 100 stocks, but I picked 17 of them, and they represent 75% of portfolio. And you can see it here. It is a Liberty Broadband Corp, iShares, utility sector ETF, iShares, iBox, Great Corporate Bond, it is ETF too, and the third iShares ETF with a dividend around 3%. Then we can see T-Mobile United States, and you can check previous video, and it was research T-Mobile. Selected Quote, it is a new broker with no any good results. Hein Celestial Group, it is a packaged foods, nothing interesting too, I think. VC Properties, and you can find a video on my channel too. This one is good, I think, but I don't think that they will grow super fast in the next 10 years. PG&E Corporation, again utilities, regulated electric, and they're acting not really good. D.R. Horton, residential construction, maybe it is a good time to buy the thing, and it is around 3% of Soros Management Portfolio. Norton LifeLock, it is software infrastructure with 2% dividend, and really not understandable grow. DraftKings, and I think I researched DraftKings only because I saw it here. Activision Blizzard, again, you can find the whole video of this company on my channel. Transdig Group Incorporated, it is aerospace and defense. What is worldwide? It is elevators and escalators worldwide, and I think I have Otis elevator in my house, and Darden restaurants. It is a restaurant, and we have some kind of pandemic right now. Actually, I tried to find something interesting here, but this actually looks like a house. They own a huge amount of money in Liberty Broadband Corp, and you can see here that they are selling these stocks from 2016. They didn't do anything special right after market crash. You can see here that Soros Fund Management has 4.5 billion in assets under management, dropping by 126%. And it means that they are just covering their positions and push their money somewhere else. From my point of view, I think this portfolio in super defense mode, and they're actually preparing for a big market crash or something like this, because lots of percentage in ETF, and they're just making money on dividends, and it is like bond ETF, and not really a risky term. Plus, I really don't understand when good hedge fund buying ETF. It is strange for me, and they are using like 20% in ETF. And that means that if I'm investing with Soros Fund Management, I have to pay Soros Fund Management and I have to pay to ETF. It is strange for me. I hope this video was interesting. Sorry that I couldn't find some really good insights because this management looks like a house, and I think Robert, it is the son of George Soros, not actually doing well. I really like to read your comments. Please write down, maybe I missed something or I'm totally wrong about the whole idea of this fund. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.